Bangladesh, challenges and opportunities. Here is the outline of the topics covered. Aim of the speech, background, methodology, result, discussion, approach to develop medical engineering, conclusion, acknowledgement and limitations. Background. A field of study, biomedical engineering and technology, concept, apply, develop, equipment and instruments required in healthcare delivery. Medical engineering refers the process of the taking medical equipment to make sure it's working properly and is safe to use. It is also known as biomedical engineering, bioengineering. The aims of the education students to employ engineering principal methods to develop and medical instrumentation, biomaterial, diagnostic, therapeutic devices, and other technology needed in biology, medicine, and also discover new principles governing function and structuring living system. It is multidisciplinary in nature. So this is the definition of the biomedical engineering. A lot of scientists given a lot of oil of the definition, but what is the perfection in our country context? Medical engineering technology education. I have designed my research paper that what is the medical technology integration? Medical technology integration is the some multidisciplinary biomedical engineering, part of the electromechanical engineering, part of the communication engineering, part of the computer science, electronic engineering, part of the human body anatomy, physiology and medical terminology. Life cycle management of medical equipment, healthcare technology, life cycle management, risk management and patient safety management is the one. So, biomedical engineering study field of the master science and master of the engineering, ME engineering and PhD like that. The clinical engineering, biotechnology, biomedical and biomedical instrumentation. I have given some red marks or black marks like that because in our country prospects we know very well the developed countries openly producing the manufacturing the medical devices. So basic rules of the biomedical engineer is to develop and design of the medical equipment and research them. But in our country context, need the branch of the biomedical engineering, clinical engineering, biotechnology, which is the red mark. This is the demand of the government of the Bangladesh. So first clinical engineering, biomedical instrumentation, biomedical imaging, biomedical radiology and medical physics and bioinformatics. This is the 5 things immediately needed to start in Bangladesh, otherwise health will be suffering and will be hampered in future seriously. MS or integrated program instead, which are given by the American College of Clinical Engineering, Osaka, GT College and lot of institutes in Malaysia, Japan, Jordan and Egypt, like the clinical engineering, hospital, clinics and diagnostic center, biomedical instrumentation engineering field, medical equipment supplier company and maintenance management of medical equipment, biomedical radiology and imaging engineering and medical physics, medical equipment supplier company, radiology and oncology department, hospital and atomic energy commission. Biomedical engineering for pharmaceutical industry, biomedical engineering, the cold chain section, the vaccination program in India, is the greatest program and globally reputed and renowned in Bangladesh. PhD program research in biomedical engineering, I recommended, that is the country context, clinical engineering, hospital, clinics and diagnostic center, biomedical engineering. Now, I have recommended for a higher education degree, those who are taking whole number of top level of post healthcare management as well as the university professor or research based. I recommended here is the near about 27 branches of the biomedical engineering. I recommended only 6 for Bangladesh context because very important part. Scope or area of the view of the biomedical engineering. See, we know very well health monitoring and measurement, management of diseases in the healthcare system. We know very well Bangladesh is one of the developing countries, but there is no manufacturing company for medical devices like CT scan, MRI, etc. like that. So health monitoring and management diseases of the healthcare system. Biomedical engineering is equally sharing the responsibility of the healthcare along with doctors, paramedic staff. a lot of rules is scope area. Here is near about 11 scope of the field decided here. I think that it is not so difficult. When I deliver the presentation, everybody is here. What is the field of the student in future and present? In this slide, significance of biomedical engineering. A biomedical engineer must in a hospital. No hospital can perform without the biomedical engineer. Biomedical engineer is a resource which is on the line of the management resource of the organization. Time is very short, but biomedical engineering line is very broad. So I wish to shortcut. Challenges role of the biomedical engineer. What is the challenge? Challenge like that. With the healthcare becoming cooperative, with the rapid development of healthcare technology, now the biomedical engineering, the healthcare delivery performance system comes under the biomedical engineering. And without the biomedical engineering, it is not possible to receive the accurate diagnostic result as well as to keep the equipment in functional condition. Say example, when a driver runs the car, somebody check it, PRT. When a aircraft try to move, here is the inspector. Where is the port, here is the inspector. Where is the truck, here is the inspector. But it is unfortunate that in Bangladesh, we are using a lot of medical equipment, but there is no auditor, there is no inspector. Scope of biomedical engineer, I am telling that step by step. Outcome, program outcome statement that describe what students are expected to know and able to know the type of graduation. We are producing a lot of biomedical engineering, other engineering, but what is needed? What purpose need to solve the biomedical engineer? What is the present demand of the healthcare technology? That types of engineer we need to produce in Bangladesh. We are every day producing a scientific way the engineering, but I have seen that for the past 26 years, they are complete the engineering and goes to other countries and they are producing the manufacturing the devices and the devices come to our country, but we cannot use the equipment, but those equipment is killing. That means we are producing the human resource, they send to the America, Canada, like that, they are producing the equipment, we are killing by our product. So we need to approach like that method, we produce the product and we get the beneficiary from the product, that is the biomedical engineering. So what is the present scenario? Challenge, understand. To understand mathematical physical foundation of the biomedical engineering, how these are applied to the design of the biomedical fundamentals. Recently I have seen that a lot of research is going on biomedical engineering. It is appreciable in the future, but need to first implementation applied biomedical engineer in Bangladesh. Question, the critical evaluate alternate assumption procedure tests of and the result related engineering and biological problem. So design, the design variety of the electronic and computer based and software application including the biomedical instrumentation. So lead, to lead a small team of the student engineering perform laboratory exercise. We are producing biomedical engineering. We are producing biomedical engineering, we are producing biomedical engineering, Goa University producing the biomedical engineering. But what is the necessity? What is the rules of the biomedical engineering? That means we need to make them understand engineer, hospital with engineer, hospital without engineer. What is the result? When this differential result goes to our healthcare ministry, then they understand the necessity of the biomedical engineering. Till now, our educational program and me also cannot disseminate the cannot focus the message what is the necessity of the biomedical engineering. So we need to impact and give the focus to the healthcare ministry what is the necessity of the biomedical engineering. Healthcare delivery. Patient need curative. I am patient, I go to the hospital, I need curative. Doctor tell, refer doctor tell to go to the investigation, CT scan, MRI, blood for TC, ESR, hemoglobin, blood in everything. Not measure. And measurement investigation, then patient goes to medical equipment. If one patient go to medical lab or any hospital, he spend 10,000 taka, 1,000 fee for doctor, 1,000 for medicine. but 8,000 for medication. If medication is error, whole life is error. So without proper diagnosis, proper medication cannot be possible. Then I put the cross mark. If directly patient, curative, doctor, investigation, medical equipment, accurate result not possible, proper medication is not possible. And that's why there is the bypass road, here the biomedical engineering team, if calibrated and inspected, this machine is okay or not. One doctor checking the good result from the patient, hello patient, I need the investigation report. So, tie up with the medical technology and diagnostic doctor, he is checking the I need the good result to provide a good feedback to the patient. But it is not possible because machine is uncalibrated, machine is not okay, machine has error, a lot of error. So error for result, interrupting the decision of the good physician of the Bangladesh. I know the physician of Bangladesh very much experience and skill and comparative with other countries, but their output is not coming in a point during the errorful diagnostic result. So when a patient, then surrounding nurse have any skill on the machine? No. Doctor has any skill on the machine? No. Paramedics using the machine? No. Medical equipment is the idea he cannot speak. So this biomedical engineering team is absent totally. So in America, paper is publication that near about 1,98,000 people every year going to be death and death cases studied due to error of the medical equipment. Nobody knows the condition. What is the situation of the biomedical equipment in Bangladesh? I don't know. When a patient go to them, yes, measuring recording need ECG machine, blood, glucose analyzer, hospital utility equipment not okay, radiology imaging equipment giving the exposure, there the AEC is not working, radiation is passing, no medical physicist there. How many doses for the fat man, thin man, and leg man? What is organ needed to? How many doses? Who will calibrate? It is possible to a radiographer, not possible. It is harmful and hazard, and due to this reason, the cancer patient day by day growing. So it is not creditable to import a good equipment in the medical laboratory like that. It is not that credit until or unless it is used. I have collected good life. If I do not get the service, it is not good life. So every hospital decorated is a good machine, good decoration. But what is going on? Any calibration? No. Before use and implement on the patient, I am very afraid. We had 10 passengers to run a aircraft by regionalized Bismillah Hamada a lot of this. Here the Dhaka Medical College, near about 3,500 patients is suffering and admitted in the hospital. There is no engineer to check a BP machine. It is very dangerous. So diagnosis, medical imaging, sterilizing, and another issue is that what is the medicine? Somebody tell that what is the medicine? Medicine, definition of the medicine in global is not nothing. Any substance which is applied to the illness body for the cure. Not it is the drug, maybe medicine. When cancer patient, this medicine will be linear accelerator and radiotherapy. So linear accelerator, radiotherapy, and pacemaker is the medicine. So it is need to understand a biomedical engineer is a good doctor for higher prescription. When need the pacemaker, there is a vital role of the doctor, just only the surgery. But frequency, everything setting, calibration, everything setting by engineer. So one doctor prescription contains more than 10,000 taka, but one engineer's prescription contains lakh or a lot of use of money involved. So medical equipment treatment, a heart is there, this type of test. If the error comes from the equipment, heart is wrong. The decision will be wrong. So a lot of say I have given unregulated power supply, equipment not calibrated, failure of the monitor, temperature room is not okay, but patient checking the ICU patient is crying. Everybody is sitting outside of the a lot of risk before my patient is getting good treatment, but in the internal I see that he is not getting any treatment. So I have given the interaction, a lot of interaction. Very rare, time is very short, life is very broad. proper operation, use of the equipment device, continuous tend to nurse operation, enhance accuracy, desired result, outcome from the medical equipment device, ensure safety both patient and medical in clinical setup, handle emergency situation, wards and clinic setup, when medical nurses absent, arrange periodic and preventive maintenance of the equipment, consulting with the biomedical engineer. Ensure routine calibration and equipment. If I ask you what is the calibration? Calibration is meant balancing. So I need to purchase some potato, some market man is balancing by certain mark. Okay, balancing and then measure. Equipment is aligned at negative version, we are measuring. So I handle a lot of patients declared from the Udala Health Complex ultrasonogram cancer, X-ray cancer. But when I measure, there is no. This is problem. The clinical engineer role with the hospital, clinical measurement, general practice, support and facilities, education and training, research and development. This is the scenario. The electromedical, other countries, clinical engineering checking, what is the roles of the engineering, before testing any equipment, never imply to the human body therapy. In my past life, I have seen near about 60 patients died in the X-ray room for the leakage current of the X-ray table. And open heart surgery, nobody knows. Thus, this is the hospital structure. Hospital think that organization, space, ventilation, electric power, standby, and water facility, medical, everything is there. Doctor is there, nurse is there, paramedic is there, biomedical engineer is the base station of the hospital, but there is no foundation. That is why healthcare aligned like that. The radiology, we have equipment. We have manpower, everything is there. We have fuel, we have oil, we have ship, everything. Without the director, the ship is moving in the middle of the ocean. There is no biomedical. So this is one practical scenario of the. Give me some time, please. This is the patient scenario. One vital person. I do not mention his name. He is the bona fide patient of the Education Ministry. His person is waiting is there. He is under the ventilation. Everything is laughing and going dua. My patient is getting the treatment. When I enter the hospital, I think that there is no oxygen connection with the ventilator. Ventilator is giving alarm and ECG curve is giving alarm. Patient is dying. Patient attendance is laughing. Sister and nurse, nobody knows the condition. What is the ventilator? It is like showbiz. We have our patient is connected life support. But nobody knows how to maintain, how to operate the ventilator. There is a lot of electromedical signal. And I asked to the doctor, the sister, this is not getting the engineer right. I don't know. I agreed on the electricity. If I connect here, current, kill me. I do not go there. Here, life is the scenario of the Bangladesh and patient scenario. This is a lot of stone. Near about $1 million US equipment is lying in the hospital. Everybody can be run the possible, but some student is moving here and there. And I am there sometimes calibrate. And what is the result? Medical doctor demand force and medical technologist force, so medical person force. And every district has government, every district has force. So next, it is the data. What is my suggestion is I request to IIT, private university, public affiliation with the medical equipment company, hospital to make the more biomedical engineer. What is necessary, not theory based, but practical based. Those biomedical engineer who is very close to the patient and give the good result. That type of engineering, pattern of engineering and syllabus, sports curriculum needed to develop. Otherwise, the field is nil. If we are practical oriented engineer, then field is high. Now, present demand is 5,000 of the biomedical in Bangladesh, and hospital providers searching here and there, but finding no other sources because he is qualified a biomedical engineer. If doctor asks him the question, he cannot give the answer because he could not manage the doctor because his frequency and language not interpreted the medical science. That's why I am telling the biomedical engineer. But what is the estimation? What is the bradycardia? What is the bradycardia? What is the pacemaker? What is the anatomy, physiology? What are the gastric system? This is the language of the doctor. When the student language, engineer language, with stand with the doctor, that engineer has no scope. Being a biomedical, I am going the job. Every hospital, I have a good match with the doctor. They are making friendship and relationship. Need to relationship, need to copy. So more anatomy and physiology included and practical hospital oriented. Another issue is that when one engineer goes to the hospital from university, when he is the pregnant patient, oh, I don't know the job. So he need to environmental adaptation, need to originate 6 months in the hospital to adopt the medical science and how to handle the patient. It is one kind of service like a manner, being a characteristic copy from the doctor and nurses like that. Otherwise, if we produce the product biomedical engineering from private and public university, they will go abroad for research and design, but result is coming, good machine is coming in Bangladesh, their product will kill our Bangladeshi nation. So increase everything, deviation in service, everything, last final finish. My question is there, sorry. If I go to airport,